It was a battle by kids, not with guns, but with cutlery sets. 14 contestants started the Big Chef Season 2 journey. But after 10 weeks of adrenaline-charged challenges, only 6 survived the heat in the kitchen. Amma, Ajua, Aram, Fudaila, Prince and Laura to make history to be crowned champion of Big Chef Season 2. And now the final task.
Your task for today is to prepare a starter, a main and a dessert. Take into consideration the sponsoring companies.
It's showtime! Freestyle cooking contest. Contestants are to prepare mouth-watering 3-course meal within 60 minutes. Oh yes, they are all up to the task in displaying their culinary skills, and with amazing products from sponsors, you can only expect delicious meals. The contestants had massive support from their family, friends and fan base. And when the kitchen became tensed, there was a melodious voice to calm their nerves.
And every good things we do is for tomorrow. Then let's start some lies for tomorrow.
Stepping out the yard, oh, you for me. It's a Friday night, when we drop in this party, people got your eyes all on me. Stepping out the yard, oh, you everybody's watching movies.
Finalists are done with their cooking and ready for tasting and judging. The judges were impressed with all the meals presented by the contestants.
I'm a picky eater, so yeah. And that was the first time I was tasting octopus, and it really did the work for me. Yeah, good job.
The spice, the flavors.
Thank you.
Actually, I really like flavor, so there's a flavor for me with this one.
Yeah, that's good.
With fortune rice.
Good job.
The voting and judges' scores have been collated and the fate of all now in hand. Unfortunately, the two sisters, Ajwa and Amma, took 5th and 6th positions respectively. The only boy remaining in the competition, Prince, placed 4th. Aram fought hard and became 2nd runner-up. And now, Laura and Fudaila. Who is the champion of the Big Chef Season 2?
Ghana's next biggest kiddie chef is Fudaila Abbas.
Fudaila took home a cash prize of 10,000 Ghana cedis, a certificate, refrigerator, stove and amazing products from sponsors, as well as the bragging right as the best kid chef in Ghana.
Thank you.